Hello everyone, today we're going to take you through step-by-step instructions on how to make a delicious and moist pound cake that pairs perfectly with Cool Whip and fresh strawberries. Alright, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs at room temperature, a half cup of sour cream at room temperature, a half cup of whole milk at room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, then grease a 9.5 by 5 inch loaf pan. In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter until it becomes creamy. Add the sugar and continue to beat until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this bowl aside. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, add the sour cream and mix well until fully combined. Take half of the flour mixture and add it to a large mixing bowl. Mix until it's just combined. Add the whole milk and mix again until it's just combined. Now, add the remaining flour mixture to the bowl and mix until it's just combined. Add the vanilla extract and stir well. After preparing the cake batter, it's time to pour it into the greased loaf pan. Use a rubber spatula, scrape the sides of the mixing bowl to make sure you get all the batter. Pour it into the pan and use the spatula to smooth it out evenly. Make sure to spread the batter all the way to the corners and edges of the pan. Once the batter is spread out, place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 60 to 70 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once our strawberries are washed and dried, we're ready to prepare them for our pound cake. But before we do that, let's talk about how we wash them. Instead of using plain water, we added 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 8 cups of water. This helps to remove any dirt, pesticides, or bacteria that may be on the surface of the strawberries. After soaking for 10 to 15 minutes, we rinse them off and dry them with a paper towel. Now our strawberries are clean, fresh, and ready to be sliced into thin strips to top our delicious pound cake. Once the cake is done, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before removing it from the pan. Serve it with a generous dollop of Cool Whip and sliced fresh strawberries for a delicious and refreshing treat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more recipes like this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Happy baking!